Hey, I'm Dr. Ekberg with Wellness for Life, and if you'd like to truly master health by understanding how the body really works, then you've come to the right place. The secrets to extraordinary health and longevity are not really secrets at all. They're principles that have been around for millions of years. In these videos, we'll explain everything that you need to know about health in simple terms that everyone can understand. The information will be based on science, physiology, history, and clinical results. The more that you listen, the more you will begin to realize how incredibly intelligent your body is and how simple it really is to take care of it. I'm a holistic doctor and a former Olympic decathlete. In my clinic, we've helped thousands of people to achieve a higher level of health and quality of life. Through these videos, I hope to inspire you to do the same. The world has changed more in the last 50 years than it has in the previous 50,000. We used to die from starvation and infections and wild animals, but today 95% of us die from lifestyle diseases that could be prevented. Every year we have more diabetes, more arthritis, autoimmunity, cancer, we have more fatigue and more depression. And every year we take more and more pills for these things, and yet we keep getting sicker. In recent years, we've even developed these epidemics in our kids. Autism, allergies, depression, and even diabetes, they're getting at an age before they've even grown up. Without quality of life, we're not living longer, we're just dying longer. The world is full of misinformation, myths, and outright lies. I will teach you everything that you need to know to stand firm in your own knowledge so you can cut through all these fads and trends. My hope for you is that once you start to understand the amazing intelligence that runs your body, you will be inspired to act and take charge of your health. If some of these ideas make sense and you're ready for some change, make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that we can keep this information coming your way and so that we can add some years to your life, but more importantly, add some life to your years. Thanks for watching.